Hey y'all, it's Hunter. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be making buffalo chicken ziti. And before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. And please follow me on my social media listed down in the description. And don't forget that the written recipes for everything I make will usually be down in the description. And I wanted to give a shout out to Miss Jeannie Blazi for making my apron for me. I'll put her Instagram name down below. So let's get to the list of ingredients so we can get started. For this recipe you'll need ziti noodles, shredded chicken, butter, all-purpose flour, shredded cheese, ranch seasoning, hot sauce, cream cheese, milk, and a casserole pan. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my butter to my pan and let that start getting melted. Okay, now that my butter's melted, I'm going to add my flour. Just kind of whisk it around until well combined. Now I'm going to add my milk and whisk together until there's no clumps. And now you're going to let it simmer until thickened. Now that this is beginning to thicken up, I'm going to add my cream cheese that's been sitting at room temperature. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to break it up into little pieces with the wooden spoon and then let this get completely melted. Now that my cream cheese is melted, I'm going to add my Frank's Red Hot hot sauce. Then I'm going to add my ranch seasoning and stir until well combined. Now that everything's well combined, I'm going to add my chicken, give that a stir. Now what I'm about to attempt to do is something I haven't done before, because the original recipe for this tells you to stir it, like put the noodles in the pan and stir it all together, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of like lasagna, just kind of plop some down in here. And just spread it around. Then dump some noodles in here. Dump the rest of this over the noodles. And now I'm just going to kind of stir it all up. Now I'm just going to sprinkle my cheese over. I need more cheese. And I'm just going to pop this into the oven for 15 minutes on 350 degrees. So my ziti is finished cooking. So let me just give this a taste. It's just me and my mom, so it's not like I'm being nasty by eating out of the thing. It's hot. It's amazing. Of course, I could eat this whole entire thing. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and if you make this recipe, please send it to me on any of my social media. And I hope y'all have a good Labor Day weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, y'all.